it's Raquel Berman here, and today I'm excited to share with you some new release Sizzix dies. So these are chapter 1 release from Sizzix Lifestyle, so it's sizzixlifestyle.co.uk, and I thought I'd share them with you and give you a look at some of the dies that are available right now. So let's check them out. Okay, so this first one I'm going to be sharing with you is Sunflower, and it's 662508, and it's a 4-piece die set. So you have leaves, 2 different size leaves, and then the flower and the center of the sunflower. So that's the first set. The next die is this one called Butterfly Favor Box, and it's 662363, and it just makes a sweet little favor box that would be perfect for weddings or baptisms or those sorts of events, birthdays, to put a little treat into. Mother's Day, that'd probably be a good one for kids at school to make, actually. Super cute. This one here is a big die. It's called Spring Animals 662504, and it's some Easter icons, which is super cute. And I love that, you know, you can cut all different materials with the big dies, so you sort of could do whatever you liked with these ones. Really cute. These ones here look like they've been cut out from fabric. They've got that texture on the sample ones at the front. This next one is called Hexagons, and it's 662517, and it's just a hexagon style design, fun geometric design that you could use on cards or layouts or other projects. This one here is so cute. It's called Giraffes, and it's 662513, and it's a baby giraffe and a big giraffe and then a balloon. And they're decent size too. That's those. I love this next one just for the versatility. It's called Springtime, and it's 662515. So we've got like a scalloped edge and some butterflies and some florals and some bunnies. There's a bike here. I like this full flower, and then the word hello, some eggs. How cute is that? So all of these in this thinlet set. There's 18 dies altogether, so that's really fun. So this one is called Heart Box, and it is 662518, and I couldn't resist using this one, so I've actually opened it up and cut it out already. But this is what it makes. So just a really super cute and sweet box, and I've actually cut it out so that, you know, I've got this gorgeous print. I've put some gold underneath, and because I've popped all the twine around it already, but this just simply lifts off as well, so you could put some little something sweet inside that gift box. So that's the size that it makes. That helps. So against my hand, nice size. So that's that one. Then I adore this one. This is Butterflies 662516, and it is just a scattering of butterflies. There's 2 free-flowing ones as well. But what I like about dies like this is you can sort of cut these up and manipulate them to suit what you need them for. So I love that one. And I think these next ones I'm going to show you are going to be super popular as well. They're alphas, and these are dainty uppercase, and they're like a, I suppose, a typewriter key looking font. So these are the uppercase ones, so you could use the negative or the positive from these dies, which is really cool as well. And these are 662551. Then there's also a lowercase set, which also has some punctuation and icons as well. This is 662520. And then there's also, so they're all around about the same size, but there's a Dainty Birthday Numbers 662577, which has numbers and then the today wording. So you could have, you know, 3 today for a birthday card. You could add small fonts, you know, small, instead of spending a lot of money on letter stickers, you could create your own using these, your own titles. Super quick and easy to use once you get the hang of it. There's those. Another Biggs die, so I've got a few Biggs dies to show you today. This one's Rustic Bouquet and it's 662501 and it is a floral. So you can see at the top here that they show what's, you know, what the die is made up of, or shapes the die is made up of. So there's sort of 4 main pieces on this that you then cut and piece together and layer together. So that's that. Then we have Meadow Rabbit 662511, which is a bunny. So make a really nice card front. So you can see that there, and that's the detail there. So to get the different colours, you would obviously have to cut this a few times to build on your layers. So you'd add that nice depth and dimension to your project as well. Or you could cut it once on a white cardstock and then you could watercolour it in if you chose to. So that's really cool. So that one, I adore this one too. This is Garden Florals 662514 and it is like a mason jar with a bouquet and then some extra florals and a butterfly. I really like the size of the butterfly too and the intricacy of it. So that's that one. Then we have Pretty Peony, it's 662512 and it is a floral. So it's sort of made up of the main design and then this outside floral that you'd layer behind so that you get that other colour behind there. So there's that one. I think this will be super popular for birthdays and things. Unicorns are all in with kids at the moment. So this is 662503 and it's a Biggs die and it's made up of like the horse with the unicorn with the mane and then a star and a heart. That's really sweet. And last one I'm going to share with you in this release is the swan. So it's 662502 and it is a Biggs die that pieces together to make a swan. So that is the chapter 1 releases that I have to share with you. You can check out sizzixlifestyle.co.uk. Otherwise you can check out my blog raquelbowman.com where I'll be sharing projects using these dies. Bye everyone.